Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily reset your Samsung Galaxy A36 to factory settings. So first, what you guys need to do is head over to settings. Now after you do that, scroll down until you see general management and now click it. Here, what you guys need to do is scroll down until you see reset. Now click it and scroll all the way down until you see factory data reset. Now click it, and here what you guys can do is scroll down and click reset. Now enter your PIN, pattern or password depending on what you have. And here you need to click delete all and then enter the password to your Samsung account. Now after you do that, you need to follow on-screen instructions and it will be like reset, reset, confirm, confirm, and your phone will reset. Now the second method, and it doesn't work on many Samsung phones, is by going to the recovery mode. So first, what we need to do to enter the recovery mode is scroll down. As you guys can see, now we need to scroll down until we see about phone. Now we need to click on software information and start clicking the kernel version or build number. As you guys can see, the developer mode has already been turned on. And that's what we needed, so now enter it. And here, what you need guys to enable is OM unlocking. Now after you do that, you need to enable it. And now you can try it if it works for you, because for me it doesn't, even when I simply turn the phone off. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.